What's up, guys? What's up? So you heard, huh? You come to help? Woo! I can't believe it either. First actual order. Do I have this thing locked in? Yeah. First actual order. 100 tomato steaks. ASAP. That's pretty cool. But I don't have 100. I just sold 3/4 of what I had this morning, so yeah. We gotta get rolling here. I got 4 logs, about the same size here, about 8-9 inches. But not going to get a whole lot out of them, but better than letting them go to waste and actually trying to make something decent out of them like I have been doing. So these things are pretty scudgy. Got an old blade on here. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Oh, that'll work too, huh? Will that work? Yeah, that'll work. Gotta get this thing started because it is miserable out here. Miserable today. I got a skid steer running just because I tried to start it and it was like, near, and it started, but I've been just running it, putting a log on, shutting it off, so I'm going to let it run, charge battery up. Come on now. Don't be messing with me. There we go. Woo! Alright, guys. Welcome back to Appalachian Sawmill and Farm. Well, you can kind of see out there, it is a gloomy, drizzly, and it's like about 38, 40 degrees, so it's cold and miserable. But, up until this point, I've been just milling for myself and whatever I could sell, a marketplace I could sell. So this is an actual order that I got to get done. So I got this guy here, which ain't going to be proved to be much, but I got 20 feet of maple and another, you can see that guy right there. He's got a crook in him, but I'm going to use him anyways. So see how many we can get out of these guys, and then well, that was productive. Hey, son of a... Ugh. Alright, well there it is. Freaking stupid log stop. Alright. What do we got here? 369. Oh God! Holy shit! Well, these things are heavy. Oh. That's all she wrote there. Hey, welcome to a new day, guys. So, not sure where I left off filming, videoing. It's been absolutely miserable. Rain, cold, windy. And as you can see, we got a little bit of sunshine today. But it's only for today. So, yeah, so I did take a picture. Yeah, I did do a video of cutting this log. I didn't do a video of getting it down here. Yeah. So this is the last. I need 25 to finish at, and this is more than enough to do that with. So we're gonna get this cut up, and then I gotta load this into the back and take it down. And if you want to know what happened to my door, check out Appalachian Farmstead. Take this down and sharpen them. Put a point on them. So we're going to get this cut up today because these got to be delivered tomorrow. So All right, let's get the milling. All right, guys. There they are. There's 100 of them. So they'll get delivered in the morning. So when I started doing this, can't remember the guy's name, Riverside Sawmill, or not sure. He has a big old Timber King 2020. This is one guy gave me this idea. He does it, but on a huge scale. So, anyways, I think his specs were 1.25 by 1.25. Locally, there's another, well, not real local, like an hour and a half, 2 hours away. I seen somebody's advertising them 1.5 inches. So that's what I was shooting for, and then I kind of went cowboy, and I'll tell you why. Because if I go for a certain size, I get waste on the can, and so instead of doing that, if I can't get a board out of it, or a decent 3/4 or 1 inch board, then it's gonna be, the tomato steak's gonna be either bigger or smaller. So they range from anywhere from 1 5/8 to down to 1.25 inches. So they're tomato steaks. They're disposable. So anyways, and then there's a pile of cuts from pointing on it. That's a pain in the butt. But anyways, that didn't take me long. I don't know how long. I should have kept track of how long I had in this. I probably have total, I don't know, 2 hours milling, and then 35 minutes in doing that and making the points. So I don't know, say 3 hours. So it's definitely, like a bulk order like this, there's definitely easier ways to make money, but every little bit, adds up. So, and we're not, I don't go to a job every day. My wife doesn't go to a job off the farm. We work here on the farm, and we produce stuff here on the farm. So, this is income that supplements everything. We have our website. Check that out, appalachianfarmstead.store. You can go get some cool merch for the Sawmill channel that I'm on right now, or if you like the homesteading stuff, I have stuff over there. Plus we have our medicinal mushroom tinctures, and coming soon we're going to have available bagels. The wife has a bagel business, so you'll be able to, she's not going to ship any bread, but we will be able to do bagels. And then I believe at some point I'm going to start shipping like blanks for wood turners. So I have some stuff dried. I just need to cut it and get it on the website. So figure out shipping. That might be a real pain in the butt there. So anyways, get this delivered, and then I got to get back on this rabbit hutch tomorrow before the storms come. We're supposed to have some, probably in the afternoon, a whole bunch of storms. But I did end up with over the past, I don't know, 2-3 days, a whole stack of flitches. So I did all those flitches today after I was done. So that'll be used on here. The rabbits won't mind if it's maple or oak, especially like, the backboards or whatever. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up. Give me a subscribe. And please leave a comment. I really like to interact with everybody and see what you think about making money like this. I don't know. I mean, obviously that dude that I watched had a hydraulic sawmill and he was kicking stuff out. Plus he was cutting pine. So, and I'm using what I would consider firewood to do this. So, I don't know. Probably a little harder for me, obviously, with a manual mill. But anyways, leave me a comment, man. Really appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.